Hello there, it's Alison here. I want to give you a top-down analysis of Euro GBP. This is a pair I'm looking to go long from next week. So why am I looking to go long Euro GBP next week? And this is the reason. I'm going to use what we call a top-down analysis in Forex to try and show you why I'm looking to go long on this pair next week. Okay, today is the Saturday the 21st, is it 22nd of March 2020, so you know the kind of timeline. Okay, so this is the monthly view of Euro GBP, and if I let me see, if I push in a bit, if I zoom in a bit, you can see this is where we are currently on this chart. So the first thing you need to do when you get to any chart is to mark out your significant levels, and I've done so on the monthly chart. Okay, now I'm not going to trade the monthly chart just to give me an overview of what is going on. So you can see that on the monthly chart we are already at significant levels. Let me get this off. Use the arrow. Okay, we are at this price significant level, which is what, 0.0366 thereabout. And this is, so price has actually come to this support level here, and the price is actually going above the support level. There was a downtrend all the way last couple of months, all the way down, but it looks like we'll come to this support level. And why is this significant? It has been tested several times. Okay, so this is the level of interest which we're looking at. So go down to the weekly, and that was a monthly view. Down to the weekly, and there we can see what's happening there as well. Let's have a look and see. Okay, so on the weekly charts, we can see straight away that we're still respecting that level. Well, we're respecting that level, and we are already, we now have a double bottom on the weekly. Okay, so again in this support line, price has come back and it has come to retest that weekly level. So that tells us that, yeah, we're probably getting ready for a bounce. Okay, so again, this is the area of interest to us. This line here, let me actually make it, let me make that green, since it's the one that's of interest to us now, so we can differentiate it from the other ones. Okay, right, so we are at this level on the weekly time frame. So we're looking for, so we've had this double bottom created here. Last time there was a double bottom, you see what happens. Price has not really come all the way down here ever since, so we're probably looking at price coming back all the way up. Okay, so that's your weekly levels, and we go on to daily time frame. 1 minute, will come to you. Okay, right, so on the daily time frame, we're also looking at you can see there's already a bounce off this level. So these levels are all visible on all time frames. We can see that we already have our first impulse move on the daily. Okay, so we're looking to go long. We're going to go on the retracement after the first impulse move. You can see that impulse move on the daily. Okay, so price has come back and essentially is retracing. Okay, so we're going to look for an entry on the daily time frame. All right, so if we, that's what we have on the daily, make that slightly bigger for you to see, and make that bigger. All right, so we already have our first impulse move, and we're looking to for a pullback, and then we can get in the trend. Okay, so it looks like we have a daily pin where it was Thursday, and then a doji candle, but I think overall we'll probably be looking at going long on this pair. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, it's getting a bit clearer what we need to do. So there's already that retracement we're looking for on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, so we had our first impulse move, that's like our support line. We're looking at the green one, so we can see our first impulse move, and then we have a retracement. Okay, so what I'm expecting is for us to actually get to maybe around this level. You can see my crosshair, this level here, and so this is the area of previous resistance that's now turning into support on this lower time frame. And what I'm expecting is that we're going to see a movement up from around this level. Will be going up. Okay, so that is what I'm looking for when the markets reopen on Monday or Sunday evening, looking for a push up around this level. But if you go into the 1-hour time frame to fine-tune your entry, you might find that price is actually, let's have a look, let's do that. See, so price is let's make that slightly bigger and see. Okay, let's see, so we can see this support line. I think this support line is already the same support line we're looking at here. If we put this horizontal line here, okay, right, so that's it. right? So another thing you can do is to draw a trend line, which I think is very important. I can draw this trend line around here, can put it here, okay? We'll probably do this on, let's see, probably do this on, let's get that off. Why is not, I don't know why it's not, okay, let's see, brilliant. So probably need to do this on, maybe let's do the 4 hour time frame, look for 2 touches on the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So you can see, as long as this trend line is being respected, then we should be going forward. Now, if this trend line is broken and price closes below, then I'll be very careful with an uptrend. Okay, so we now have our trend line, we have our bias, we'll be going up, and we just wait for this trend line to be respected. Now you can see there's a confluence of price coming to a confluence of these 2 support lines, both the new trend line we've just made and this horizontal support. So price has actually cracked this previous resistance and it's come back to retest as support. So I think we're in a good zone to make to buy. This is the area we're looking to buy, and then we expect price to move all the way up. Okay, so it's Alison here from Simple FX Pro, and yeah, my top-down analysis of Eurgbp. And if you're watching this on YouTube or on Facebook, be sure to give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. So when we make videos like this, you will be notified. Okay. I also invite you to join my Telegram group where I, post a lot of more detailed information. I also have a pro group for paid members, but this is the free academy I've got where I post a lot of ideas and equally give sometimes some trade ideas, but I believe mentoring a bit more. So guys, this was last week's trade where I got 800 pips, 80 points on DAX last Friday. Yeah, so it's same technique, waiting for area of previous resistance becoming support, and then we go. That was 80 pips on this trade on DAX. You can see it's a live account, and it was just 21st of February. Okay, so these are the kind of ideas I put in the group, and yeah, if you want to learn a bit more, then I would suggest you join up the group, and yeah, hopefully see you in the Telegram group. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.